Exciting day today, guys. Excuse my messy garage, it's undergoing a remodel. Excuse the 66 Lincoln in the back. Exciting news today. We are doing a resonator delete on the CLS 550. Excuse that Maserati in the back. You don't need to see that. We're talking about this car today. V8 bi-turbo Mercedes CLS 550 will be undergoing a resonator delete today, so stay tuned. Job security. Do they still call it that? We officially got the Mercedes CLS 550 with a resonator delete, muffler delete, and we did an X pipe. And this is what it sounds like from inside the cab. Keep in mind the Mercedes is very well insulated, so you probably won't hear it so much. I'll do a cold start here shortly. There it goes. Hope you can hear it.